Hi everyone, so today we're going to make an event hub page. Let's start coding. First thing we need to do is actually to type the header element inside the body. And inside the header element, you have to type the h1 element with the text event hub. After that, type the nav element. And inside the nav element, you have to type the two items. So let's do an ordered list. So ul, then li. For these two items, you have to have a link. We're going to actually use the anchor element with the href attribute. So href, the value would be hashtag upcoming events. And then just type the text upcoming events. And it's going to be the same. Let's do my favorite, copy and paste. And then just change the upcoming to past. Next, says here to have the main element, so we're going to put that under header. And inside the main element, you should have two section elements. Okay, and then for the first open section tag, type the ID attribute with the value of upcoming events. Then under this, you have to type the h2 element with the text upcoming events. Next would be typing the two article elements. And inside the article element, you should have an h3 element for the title and then the p element for the event description. So let's just type a program. Then for the description, I'll just use the lorem ipsum. There you go. So you should have two article elements. So this is the first one, and then you're just going to copy and paste for the second one. And then just change the A program to B program. Our first section is done, so we're going to do the second section. Again, have the ID attribute with the value of past events. Again, it's the same with the first section, so if you want to copy paste it, that's fine. Then let's type past events inside the h2 element. Then paste another article element inside the second section. Okay, and then I'll change the h3 element content with event AA. And here I want to insert the image that's provided. So we're going to type the void element. So img src, and then the link is down here. So let's copy paste, and then alt, let's name it past events. Okay, after that, we're just going to copy paste again another article. So it has to have two articles inside the section element, and then just change the event AA to event BB, and then copy paste the second link given. And for the ALT attribute, please change the value accordingly. I don't know why I didn't change it here, but please take note that it is important. I am being a bad example at this point, but please do note that it is important to put the proper value of the ALT attribute because it's actually for accessibility. So yeah, don't do what I did. I'll be more careful next time. And yeah, so let's see how it appears on an actual web page. So okay, I think it's kind of similar to the example. So let's run the test. All right, thank you guys. Bye.